You are going to love the 2017 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.